Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. So the FET chart is trying to form 5 waves there. It was possible that wave 5 was already finished here, but I mentioned that really we only reached a minimum. So yeah, it's then typically preferred to stretch a little higher. And it would have taken a break below that wave 4 low to suggest that wave 2 has started to unfold and that wave 1 is finished. So I'm talking about circle wave 1. It seems that FET's wave 1 extended, obviously. And with that, obviously, wave 5 in wave 1. And wave 5 possibly unfolds as ending diagonal. So it could still get a few squiggles higher, but it's now reached the next fib level. A break above the last high at $1.18 could send us to the next one, which is actually, I need to bring that in, the 2.382 extension at $1.29. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I'm just wondering. Oh, there is some Fibonacci confluence there. We had here the $1.29 level, $1.30 level. That is also another fib level and a relevant level to watch on the larger time frame. So yeah, there should be some good resistance at $1.29, $1.30 anyway. I believe I mentioned that level in previous videos. It's just that, okay, is it relevant for wave 5 or then already in the next move up? But certainly it looks as if we are stretching to that level. That's at least a possibility. Okay, so the uptrend isn't over. I would really use now a trend line on this chart. It seems like it lends itself to using a trend line. We have 3 touch points there. Maybe you could even, no, 3 touch points there. And the break below that trend line could be an early indication that circle wave 1 is complete, really the earliest one. Not very reliable though. I would rather like to see a break below this swing low that formed on the 21st of February, which was formed here around 94.5 cents. And a break below that, especially if it's a convincing break, a sustained break, that would indicate that wave 2 has finally started. I mean, wave 1 isn't even in any price territory that would be extended, right? So it's all good. It's just that this $1.30 level, wow, it's too far to the right. Okay, I need to move that back in. But that $1.30 level, it's the 61.8 extension level of the larger 1-2 setup, and that is highly relevant. Yeah. Why is that highly relevant? Because if we are in a bullish structure in the white count, and this here was a wave 1 which topped in December, and this was a wave 2 which bottomed in February, then wave 1 of the larger third wave tends to reach the $1.30, well, not the 61.8 extension, which is in this case the $1.30 level. So it's a level, it's a target, or it's at least a Fibonacci level that is relevant on the larger time frame. Also for the yellow count, which actually is not so bullish, but also still bullish, in which we're tracking an ABC structure, the C wave target, which would be the same in this case, the earliest C wave target really that I consider somewhat reliable is the 61.8 extension. And as I said, that points towards 130. So it's just an interesting level to watch there. And yeah, so I would pay attention to that level, pay attention to the trend line. And if wave 2, circle wave 2 is starting, then the support region is between 61 cents and 85.8 cents. The 60.9 cent level is basically the last reliable bullish support on this chart. We ideally don't even go down that much, okay? Ideally, we don't even go down that much. Ideally, the wave 2 would, yeah, maybe only reach 85.8 cents. In a bullish market, these wave 2 pullbacks can be shallow. Maybe 77.6 cents, so the upper support levels. But also please be aware there is no confirmation at this stage that wave 1 has finished, and I think it is reasonable to watch at least for one more extension to $1.29. That is, let's say, reasonable as long as the trend line is holding and that swing low from the 21st of Feb. The third wave rally then should be interesting. So the wave 2 could provide an entry opportunity for that third wave rally, which is typically the most aggressive trend in a cycle. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.